What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we got a few tools out, cleaning supplies, some paint and everything, and an oil pump. Meaning, in this video we're going to do oil pump mod, which will consist of upping the oil pressure about 10 to 15 psi, and we're going to port it, clean it up, paint it, get it ready. We're not going to put new seals or anything in it yet, because we are going to be doing a balance shaft delete as well. So when we do the whole balance shaft delete video on the block and stuff, and the work you gotta do on the pump, we'll do the rest of it. So we'll put new seals, the block off plates and everything on this, and all the stuff that we need to do on the block, you know. So we will be shimming this and cleaning it, porting it, painting it, all that. I guess let's get to cleaning it up. Not looking forward to it because this thing is really nasty and dirty, but it needs to be done. So let's get to it. I think the first thing we're gonna do is hit it with some burger cleaner. Try and get the big heavy gunk stuff. Oh, actually, let's peel this stuff off first. Oh yeah, nasty, nasty. We're gonna be replacing all this stuff. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Yep, she a dirty one. She dirty. Just come off of there, please. Come on. I know you want to. It's off of there for the most part. Look at that. Look at this. Ah. Oh well. Yo, what do you? Look at that. So much better looking just from that little bit. Don't get that in your eyes. Dangerous. Stand back into this. Actually, while that's on there, we'll take this wire or little brush and kind of scrub some of it off there too. Some more on there. Even with all the glitter, you know. Look at that. It's cleaning our table. 2 for 1, baby. Get the workbench clean. And we get them sparkles. That means it's going to be sparkly clean, eh? That's what that means right there. That's what it means. No, we're not going to put sparkles on this, guys. Don't worry. No sparkles on this one. Let's try and hit that now with some more brake clean. See how she comes out. Should I grab something to catch all this in? Dang. Should be good. That's this here. Clean off. Guys, if you want to find out if you have any cuts or anything, get some brake cleaner on your hands. It'll tell you right away. What do y'all think? Way better looking, eh? So, I think first thing we're going to do is I got to grab some more tools. I didn't bring everything out. Let's get this off here so we can get this balance shaft, I guess, yeah, off. And then kind of get all this off of here. All this needs to come off. Why did they cake on so much RTV, dude? Oh, had an oil leak. Let's just RTV it. Fix the problem the correct way. Nope, that just makes too much sense, right? That will make too much sense. Alright, let's get some tools. Alright, got some more tools that we're gonna need. That off of there real quick. Get off. Forgot about this little nub right here. Gotta try and tap this out. that is off. This is no longer needed. That is all garbage. Alright, now let's try and get these seals out of here. Yeah, you can see here, guys, they kind of went too far. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see how it's like pushed in higher here than here. That's probably why they caked it with RTV. Instead of just like, you know, doing it the right way. Let's see if we can tap it out there. Oh, so that seals it out of there. Basura. We don't need you. Right. We still got this front seal here, but I'm gonna leave that one in there. So, all right, now let's get this cracked open. So you're gonna have down here a 10 mil. And then this and a spring. So the spring sits on there, goes into there. Put that aside. That's on the side that you'll do your oil pump mod on to get your oil pressure. And then take this side out. That one's gonna stay on there, I guess. That's fine. Alright, so now that you got the spring out, and then on the other side you got your little plug, I guess you'll say. This is the side you're gonna want to port. And then you gotta take this plate off back here. That is just an Allen or a Phillips. So let's get that taken off. We'll get that. You might want to hit it. Yeah. These aren't the easiest to get off. Let's see if we can get it like this. It's just suck to get out without the right tool. I don't have the right screwdriver technically either. Need a thicker tip screwdriver. Alright, moving on. We'll be fine. We can take it apart later and clean it out. I know it's going to be hard for you guys to see down in here. This is the other part where the spring goes, just so you guys know. And all that's going to get cleaned off as well, you know. Yeah, inside of here there's a little ridge, like a step up, that you want to get down in there and just take that lip away. Just so there's no, you can see where this, let me flip this around. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It's going to be hard for y'all to see for sure. But there's going to be a little spot in there, right there, that it's going to hit. You just want to get that lip taken off of there so it can maximize your flow. So that's all we're going to do. Not too much. Just clean her up a wee bit. Locked and loaded. So yeah, we're just going to go slowly through here and kind of just work that lip out of there. Already hard for y'all to see in there, but definitely I don't know which angle is better. Right in there. Now you can see it's all kind of like one size in there. There's that lip is gone. Now what we do, I'm gonna change it to a different tip where it can kind of like smoothen everything out. All right guys, so here I got a bunch of different types of like shaping, cleaning, polishing type, I don't want to say polishing, but smoothing wheels. So I got 80 grit here, that's 100, 120. Alright, so I got these two are 120, 280s, and 100, but they are different shapes. So you got cone shaped and like square shapes. So I definitely want the square ones. So here, this is the one we're going to use right here, and this is going to help smoothing it all out, you know, right there. These are 120 grit. And we're just going to put this inside of here. Oh, might want to keep it in here, huh? That might help a wee bit, I would say. It's so greasy, it's hard to tighten that up. Oh yeah, that was good. Very, very nice. I'm happy with that. Alright, yes, now see if I can get you guys in there. Can y'all see? Come on, focus. Focus. Not gonna focus right, but see if I can get you this angle here. Now y'all can see there, nice smooth in there, all that, you know. Yeah, that is that. That's how you poured it. So that is done. Now let's clean this up here. Next thing we're gonna do is the oil pump mod, which you'll need the spring, the top, and this piece here. So we can get that baby cleaned up a little better. So we need these three pieces here. The spring. Guys, I know y'all saw that, huh? Can I reach it? Yeah. You guys are in my way, excuse me. I'll move you guys over here. Can I reach it? No, ours are just too short. Let's see if I can scoot this piece a little bit more. Nope, there's a bolt in there. Come on. Man, just slightly too short. Let's see if I can reach it with this. I got it. Let's go back over here, guys. Back over here. Switch places with me. Now, to do this, you're gonna need some shims, right? Small little shims. That will go down there. Down there. And you put a shim right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna need this thing actually. Let's put that in here for a second. And put this here. Push it in. That's done. So now that's gonna up our oil pressure. Doing that about 10 to 15 pounds of oil pressure. Now what we need to do is clean our mess. So back to this. Let's get that out of there again. Because we need to clean that out. Bust out another can of that brake cleaner. So this time we're going to use the straw because we want to get down in there. If I can even get the straw in here, my hands are so oily. Hey, face away from you. I won't face you guys either. Oh, nope, nope, stop moving. Alrighty. Now, spray. Let's give it a little light pressure spray down. Now that is cleaned out, nice, poured and everything. Let's give that a second to dry. Alright guys, so now that that's all cleaned out in there, I'm going to use RTV on here. You can use Loctite, that's fine. I use RTV just because OEM, it comes with RTV here. So that's what I'm going to use. If I can get the RTV out of here. Dude. Is it gonna fight me? Just get that chunk out of there. We'll be fine. Come on, yeah, just come on out of there. Okay, now let's see. All right, you're gonna work when you want to, ain't you? I'd like to get more on there, but I don't think we have. God, don't seem like we have that option. Plenty there, so. Go wash my hands and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I tried to clean my hands up the best I could, but you know, RTV. So now that this is all done, we got it ported, we got the oil pump mod done, we got it cleaned up, but we gotta make it look better than just that. We still gotta take this apart, but we'll do that in a different video because we might be changing something in these gears in here. So we might be doing the billet ones. So we'll do that all in a different video. Probably when we do the oil pump, or when we do the balance shaft delete stuff, because we got to do some work on this anyways then. So, but yeah, I want to make this look a little better. You know, it's not clean enough looking. And you know me guys, I like things a certain color and texture. Yes, wrinkle black, baby. BHT should sponsor me. Yeah, we'll get this puppy shucking up, and you know we're gonna go wrinkle black on this thing, you know? Because why not? So there's your before. Alright guys, we'll let that sit on there and do its thing. There it is guys, look at that. Nice wrinkle black. What do y'all think? Like it? So it's still kind of curing, you know, but it's gonna be wrinkle black. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I know you won't see the oil pump when it's on the block with the covers on and everything, but you guys know it's there, I know it's there, and it just makes it look that much nicer going on a nice clean painted part, going on a freshly clean, nice looking block when we get to that part. Like I said, I'm gonna pay a lot of attention to detail on this build, paint up everything and make everything look clean, nice hardware, like everything, you know. We've been getting more parts and waiting for more parts to come in for the block and stuff, so we can kind of assemble the bottom end. Making progress guys, it's gonna look nicer. A few more things to do. I would like to get the block cleaned up and painted as well. I'm waiting for a buddy to bring a pressure washer down so we can pressure wash the block and get that nice cleaned up and painted as well. So I did decide on a color for the block. Let me know in the comments what color you think we're gonna do the block. So yeah, what do you guys think about the oil pump? And I hope this video helps. This will work on any H&F series oil pump, how to port it and shim it, you know. So yeah, we'll go ahead and end this video now. Get edited up and ready to be posted for you guys. And y'all can smash up the like button, share these videos, comment below, and we're going to keep pushing this content. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.